Do you want to memorize all the clinical uses of Diazepam in just 1 minute? Then start your stopwatch and watch this video. All you have to do is to learn a mnemonic word, that is sit calm and be patient. Because remembering this mnemonic, you will remember all the clinical uses of Diazepam. S in the SIT stands for sedation induction, I insomnia, T tonic-clonic seizures, C chloroquine overdose, A agitation, L lower dyspnoea. M stands for muscle spasms, A anxiety, N neoplastic bone pain, D dyspnoea, B bone pain, E epilepsy, and P in the patient stands for partial seizures, A alcohol or withdrawal and amnesia, T tetanus, I in hypercalcemia, E hematogenic chemotherapy, N neoplastic disease, and T stands for treatment of corticosteroid osteoporosis. Subscribe this channel for all the upcoming lectures.